We all have that one person who's tough to shop for. They're particular, they have everything, or they're just very hard to impress. So today I'll be running through a rapid fire lineup of gift ideas to help you find something they'll actually want to use. I'll break everything into 3 tiers: affordable, mid-tier, and higher end. So no matter your budget, you'll have options to choose from. Let's get started. All right, starting us off with a super affordable gift idea. This is a packable clothesline. I can't tell you how many times I've used this in Japan in the small hotels. Sometimes you can't get a dryer when all the dryers are being used and you need to dry your clothes. Other times you need to hang up your clothes to air them out for the day. Great little gift for someone who travels frequently, has to do laundry in hotels. All right, the metal hand sanitizer bottle returns. This is something I use when I travel. I also use this every day. I like to throw this in my sling, keep it in the car. It's always nice to have hand sanitizer when you need it. All right, another affordable option here, the Gear Aid Heroclip. Not your typical carabiner. Can hang your backpack off hooks, off tables, off ledges with this nifty little device here. Has a 60-pound load limit. Has served me well over the years. Actually sent this with my dad to Japan, and he actually carabined another backpack to his backpack. So lots of different utility and use cases, but great affordable gift idea. All right, so wearing pants through the airport has always been a pain until I got this arcade belt. This has been to Japan with me a couple times, keeps my pants up just fine. And what I love about this is I can walk right through TSA without taking this off because there's no metal on here, and it has some excellent stretch. All right, so I'm gonna call this one a mid-tier gift. I am not a blade expert by any means of the imagination, but I do know that I don't like buying junk, and this little knife by Civivi is not junk. And what I like about Civivi is they deliver a lot of value for the money. You have a nice little flipping action there, and it has a really cool little button lock apparatus here to close it. So I'm going to place this next one into the affordable category here. This is a nice little X-Pack pouch from Alpaca. I use it personally as a coin purse. If you've ever been to Japan, you know that you're gonna need to have coins and keep track of coins and change. This actually can take cards as well, so you can put full-size cards in here. Great little pouch for keeping any kind of ticket, receipt, or anything dry. Got coated zippers, X-Pack material. Has served me very well over the last couple of years. Got another affordable option here. This is a ripstop slim bifold passport wallet. Can hold cards, different kinds of documents. Passport goes in here. This is the exact size of a passport. I put this in my front pocket really easily. We have a couple sections back here for separating bills if you have currency in one country and bills in another. Nice way to separate them. There's also a very little slim sleeve here for the pen that they make as well. This is a great little wallet. I have put this through so much abuse, and I think it's because of the ripstop material and the fact that it is very malleable and can get wrinkled up. It just holds its form very well. All right, got a high-end gift option here. This is for a friend or a loved one that you just love oh so much. These are the Sony 1000 XM6 wireless over-ear Bluetooth headphones. The noise canceling on these are absolutely amazing. I've never had any issues with any of my Sony headphones. I do love that they fold very nicely, something that I think the 5th generation didn't do, which makes it nice to store them in different kinds of pouches and gives a lot more utility for toting them around. Maybe someone you want to gift these to commute on a regular basis on public transit, and they'd like to block all that noise out, and it makes their commute that much more enjoyable. Or maybe you have a very young child at home who just will not stop crying, and you want to put these on while you're cooking dinner for everyone to just kind of take that edge off. This one wins the award for most affordable yet thoughtful gift ever. I can't tell you how many times I've used this, how thankful I've been when I needed a Band-Aid or needed antiseptics or anything like that, that I had a small little first aid kit. For under 10 bucks, you can give someone an excellent little first aid kit that is waterproof and can stand the test of time, as they're probably gonna throw it in a bag and forget about it. But when they need it, they are going to be so happy that they have it. All right, super high-end gift idea here. This is the Insta360 X5. I picked this up for my last trip to Japan. I was so glad that I did. I was able to get some really cool shots with this. I've had a lot of different action cameras over the years, and one of the reasons why I love this is that it kind of takes the worry out of if you captured a cool angle or not. This captures literally everything, and then later on you choose what angle you want to keep. Great camera, especially if you're riding a bike, motorcycle, or anything like that, and you want to capture epic shots. All right, so I'm gonna put this in the mid-tier category. A nice Dopp kit, toiletry kit, wash pouch, whatever you want to call it, is always a great gift for someone. As you can see, this one accordions out, has zippers and compartments all over the place for toothbrushes. And one of the great reasons to have one of these is, again, that organization, keeping everything here in one place. So if you know someone that you love who's going on a big trip soon, don't underestimate the value of getting them an awesome wash pouch like one of these. Okay, this next little one is a super affordable but really awesome little gift idea. Just a simple little audio jack Bluetooth adapter that allows you to plug this into anywhere that takes an audio jack and transmit to your Bluetooth headphones. Awesome device, especially for long flights. All right, I'm gonna call this one another affordable gift idea here. So this is a 6-in-1 USB adapter. So instead of bringing 6 different cords, you have them all right here. They kind of magnetically keep together for storage. Have a nice little cap on there. And what I love about this is it just saves so much room and hassle on different cords that I need to bring, all in a clever little package here. If you've seen any of my other videos, you've probably seen this pouch. This I'm gonna classify as a high-end item here, but it is worth every penny. This is the Vertex pouch by Alpaca. I love being able to organize all my tech items in here. It accordions in and out to save space and adjust as you need it. It stands very nicely on its own, allowing you to get everything you need in here. All right, so I'm gonna call this one a mid-tier gift. Give you 2 seconds to guess what it is. Is it a blanket? Is it a jacket? Is it a pillow? No, it is a packable beach towel. Believe it or not, this is a 60 by 30 packable beach towel. So the material on this beach towel is super fast drying. One of the things I love about this is it folds up into nothing, but it is a great large coverage beach towel when you need it. Great for the traveler on the go who doesn't have the room for a big fluffy beach towel. This is a great gift idea for any travelers out there who like to get off the beaten path and carry their own stuff. So this is definitely a high-end gift idea for someone who loves tools. This one is a Leatherman multi-tool. And what I love about this is it has very easy one-handed operation for opening, closing, getting into your pliers. You can easily close it, open it with one hand. And if you know the Leatherman brand at all, you'll know that all the little tools and components are super high-end, the blades, the different tools and screwdrivers and whatnot. The one thing that surprised me on this that I have to call out are the little pairs of scissors here. I actually can use these to cut threads, strings, paper. Great little set of scissors on a multi-tool. Got another super affordable, awesome little gift idea, especially if you know someone who travels for work and uses a laptop. Have a nice little foldable laptop stand here. If you ever worked long hours from a hotel room or somewhere with a laptop and didn't have anything to ergonomically place it, you'll know how much it can hurt your neck and how unpleasant that can be. This is a great little foldable option to allow you to set your laptop on a nice little riser. All right, gonna call this one a mid-tier gift. Got coated zippers here for weather resistance. Little quick access pocket up here. Got little attachment points so you can throw a little hand sanitizer bottle or anything you want to attach there. Got a security pocket here in the back. And you've got awesome materials here. YKK zippers, X-Pack materials. For the money, I don't think you can beat this in value as far as a 1.5 liter sling goes. All right, got another awesome little affordable option here. These are polarized sunglasses with carbon fiber arms, super ultra light. These are the sunglasses that you want to throw into a bag and just forget about them. I've actually put these little aftermarket nose pads here so that they grip my face better when I get sweaty. But these have been absolutely great. So if you want those worry-free, just toss it in your bag, awesome little sunglasses, I don't know if you can beat these. Got another affordable yet thoughtful gift idea here. It's always important to invest in your sleep. And even though I've bought these initially for travel, this little sleep mask has served me well. I can't tell you how many times I've used it to take a nap at home. You can adjust these little cups on here that makes it so that the mask doesn't press against your face. Just an awesome little blackout sleep mask. All right, so got another entry into the affordable gift idea category here. This is a simple key organizer that I use every day. One of the reasons why I love this as a gift idea is because this is a quiet little gift that will make someone's day better every time they use their keys. So something simple as just finding the key to their house without having to have a big ring of keys jostling around, poking them in the thigh in their pocket. It's just such a great little nifty gift to organize someone's life a little bit better. Got another entry in the high-end gift ideas category. This is a set of sunglasses from Randolph Engineering. These have military spec durability. They got their super unique bayonet temple design here, so you can wear them with headphones, ear protection, helmets, and they won't push against your skull. I've worn a lot of sunglasses in my life, and these have unmatched optical clarity. I was initially unsure about getting a set of sunglasses that used actual glass versus like polycarbonate lenses, but these have been absolutely amazing. You can dress them up, dress them down. They look great in just about anything. I've been very impressed with the build quality on these sunglasses. Maybe it's because they're still individually hand assembled in the United States, so the quality control is impeccable. Definitely a set of sunglasses that can last for decades. This is definitely a high-end gift idea category. A reliable, waterproof, windproof hard shell is an excellent idea for someone who's traveling, someone who gets outdoors all the time. People ask me, well, why don't you just take an umbrella? And I actually do take an umbrella with me as well, but there are many things that I do and situations I put myself in the outdoors and while traveling where I need to be hands-free. I can't tell you how many times, despite my best laid plans, I get caught in a wind or rainstorm. So having an excellent hard shell is a great high-end gift idea. And one of the nice things about a quality hard shell is that they will last a long time if you take care of them. So that includes washing them, reapplying DWR coating, which is a nice little bonus gift idea. If you know someone who has a super high quality hard shell jacket, odds are they haven't washed it or taken care of it in a long time. So DWR coating is always an awesome little gift. I personally like a helmet compatible hood. So when I am doing anything that requires a helmet, riding a bike or anything like that, I can put this over my helmet. Taped seams to keep water from getting into the zippers. And my number one personal recommendation, if you are considering to get someone a shell jacket like this, is to get one that has pit zips. I can't tell you how nice it is to dump heat with these pit zips that go pretty much almost up to your elbow all the way up. So you can open these up, and during the humidity, during high output activities, hiking, traveling, anything like that, you can easily dump heat out of a jacket like this if you have pit zips. This next gift idea can be in either the mid-tier or high-end categories. Really depends on who you get it from. If you know someone who's traveling a lot or going into different environments, I can't emphasize enough how awesome it is to have 3 shirts versus 10 shirts, because you can definitely save a lot of space in your wardrobe. There are lots of different merino wool options, brands, and price points out there, but I'll tell you my number one recommendation, and that is I personally recommend to get a merino blend shirt. I first started my merino journey with a 100% merino wool shirt that instantly wore holes in it after a couple of days of use. I was extremely disappointed. So I found that like this is a 78-22 merino nylon blend. This stands up to all of the abuse I can give it, as well as giving me all of the same benefits as 100% merino wool as far as the odor resistance, long wear, heat regulation, and so forth. All right, so definitely a high-end gift category here. a travel backpack is an excellent gift if you know someone who's going to be taking a trip in the next little while. This is the Osprey Daylight 26+6, a great under-seat one-bag travel option here. This bag delivers a lot of value for what you can do. If you look anywhere on Reddit or online, people absolutely love this bag, and because it can fit easily under the seat in front of you, it makes a great option. Now, if you need a little bit more capacity, a little bit more comfort than what this Osprey bag that, you know, is a fit under your seat in front of you bag can deliver, you definitely can't go wrong with anything from Tortuga. This is the Tortuga Travel Backpack Pro. Has been a very faithful bag for me on many trips. To this day, I have not met another bag that can compete with Tortuga on comfort. And when you're lugging your life around in a backpack, having super comfortable straps, a back panel, a bag that does not wear on you because it is uncomfortable is extremely important. So, high-end gift option for someone looking to go on an epic adventure. Can't go wrong with a travel backpack. All right, maybe you're shopping for someone around the holiday season. You know very well that all of the holiday foods and sweets are going to add up. You know there's gonna be a New Year's resolution to get into better shape. You cannot go wrong with a GoRuck pack as a high-end gift idea here. I can take my dog for a walk because I know I have to do that, and I can load this bag up with some weight plates and get a nice workout on a 40-minute walk with my dog. He gets his workout, I get my workout, we're all happy. Now, if you are considering getting a rucking backpack, you are of course going to need some high quality rucking plates. So got a couple of different weight plates by this company here. They make excellent high quality, affordable ruck plates so that you can carry around and get a great workout with. So if you're someone who travels a lot, especially with a backpack, getting into rucking or weighted walking has lots of benefits for you. It will make you a better, more efficient, faster traveler as well. And we have yet another affordable gift idea here. This is one of my favorite hats that I wear on a daily basis. You hear about daily drivers for like watches and whatnot. This is a daily driver hat for me. This is one of those hydro hats that has all the benefits of a super tough hydro hat, but is very affordable. You can get this for about 1/3 the price of other kind of hydro hats in the space that cost so much more money. I hope this was helpful for you all. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.